Injuries to the ear because of loud sounds like a cracker blast, firecrackers can cause impairment of hearing by damaging the eardrum and sometimes even the nerves. Namaskara, I am Dr Harihara Murthy. I practice at the Apollo Spectra Hospitals in Bengaluru. Hearing loss is a very common problem people encounter, and it can be something as mundane as the wax in the ear, which causes the obstruction. As a result of that, you can get a hearing impairment. A more common problem that children encounter, even adults do, is when there is a change in the air pressure within the ear caused by a bad cold or an adenoid or a growth in the nose, which can give rise to change in the aerodynamics of the nose and the ear, as a result of which you have impaired hearing. This is usually transient and amenable to medication, and this can be easily managed. If you are on a flight, you sometimes get the blocked sensation during the takeoff and sometimes during landing. These are usually encountered by most people, and that's why in the past we used to get these chocolates to suck on so that you can equalize the air pressure in the ear. One of the most common things people do in these situations is try to blow the nose hard like that and push the air into the ear. A bad idea. Please don't do that, because you not only push air, but you inadvertently push bacteria into the ear, and that can cause infections. Coming to that, you can get infections in the ear even after a nasal infection or a throat infection spreading into the ear, thereby causing infections, pus collection, and as a result, impaired hearing. Anything that deals with impairment of airflow in the ear and the vibration of the eardrum, thereby being able to stimulate the nerves that make you hear, can cause impaired hearing. Apart from that, as we age, the nerves can weaken, as a result of which you can have hearing loss. Injuries to the ear because of loud sounds like a cracker blast, firecrackers can cause impairment of hearing by damaging the eardrum and sometimes even the nerves. Likewise, if you have a slap on the ear, that can rupture the eardrum. There are multiple reasons why you can have impairment of hearing. If you have a hearing problem, you need to have a specialized evaluation done. An evaluation for that can be done at any of the Apollo Spectra Hospitals so that you get properly treated for the same and get relieved of your problems.